The price of patty are becoming so expensive nowadays. Why not learn how to make this delicious delicacy at home? It is simple and it is very delicious. You can adjust the taste however you want it. And I am going to show you how I make this delicious Jamaican patties. Start by adding flour, salt, granulated sugar, curry powder, turmeric, paprika, and butter into a bowl. Mix them together until everything is evenly combined. Also ensure that the butter is cold that you're adding to your flour. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipe. And I'm just going to use my hands to break the butter apart so that it can be easily distributed in the flour. This is how it is looking, exactly how I want it. Now for this part, it is very important. Add ice cold water. Make sure the water is really cold. Why? The cold water helps the butter to stay solid as you mix the dough, which creates that flaky, tender texture you want for the pastry. Here I'm just kneading the dough gently until everything comes together. Once you got that nice dough, you're going to wrap it in plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge to chill for about 2 hours. This helps the dough firm up and makes it easier to roll out later. So here I have my chicken and I use chicken breast. As you can see, I cut it really small. So I'm just gonna add my favorite season blend, and no worries, you can use whatever season of your choice, but for season I use some Caribbean season. I'm going to place all the season that I use in the description as well. Now into a skillet, I'm just gonna add some oil and put my chicken in there. I'm going to allow it to sear on both sides before I add my chicken broth. I'm also gonna add some water and allow it to cook. Then I have my veggie here, so I have pimento, green onions, onion, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper give it that spiciness, which is very delicious. And I have some breadcrumbs. You can also blend bread in your blender. If you don't have this, no worry, you can always blend some. And I'm just gonna give it a stir and allow it to cook. Once it's cooked, I did not wait for it to cool. I'm just gonna put it in this container and use a hand blender to blend it so I get that patty texture. Next, it is time to roll out the dough. So you're going to dust your surface and your rolling pin with some flour. Roll the dough. I am going to roll the dough and apply some butter. While I'm doing so, I'm going to flip it for about 3 times, and this is just to lay it properly so that I have that crunchiness, flakiness to my patty. Once I do this, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in my fridge to chill for another 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, it is time to go ahead and make our patty shape. So I'm going to repeat the process of flouring the surface, flouring the rolling pin. Then I'm going to go ahead and roll out my dough. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more recipe. Once I finish rolling out my dough, I'm just going to use this to shape it into the shape that I want it. You can use a plate or just eyeball it and make your shape. So I'm going to use this knife to cut it properly to form my patty dough. And once you finish shape out your first one, you can just go ahead and roll it again and repeat the process until all the dough is finished. And this is how my shape is looking. So I'm just going to set it aside and continue the process until all my dough is finished. Next, I'm going to use a spoon to add my chicken filling in the center of each dough circle. Then I'm going to wet the edges of the dough with a little water and fold it over to seal the filling inside. Press the edges with a fork to crimp them and ensure they are sealed properly. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit while you are making your patty doughs. So once I finish with this process, I am going to go ahead and use some egg wash to give it that beautiful golden color when it bakes. So here is the egg wash. I'm just gonna brush it on top of the patties. Then I'm going to go ahead and place my patties into the oven and bake for 15 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy. Now take a look at this. It is looking so amazing, and as you can see, some of the filling is coming out, and no worries, that happens all the time. But I'm telling you, this is tasting so amazing. It is very soft and delicious. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a knife to cut it and let you see how it is looking. Take a look at this. Tell me you're not going to give it a try. Tell me you're not going to give it a try. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more recipe. Stay blessed. Until next time.